welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Sorry it has been a few weeks since my last video. Did you miss me? I took a little break, but I am excited to get back into sharing my decorating and shop with me videos. Today I'm sharing my summer patriotic home tour. If you are new here, I am Caitlin and I share all things decorating on my channel. I try to share at least one video a week, and you should totally subscribe, especially because we are getting into the second half of the year where I share all of my fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas decorating. To all my returning subscribers, it's so great to have you back here. Okay, let's get into this video. So I wanted to quickly share with you my front yard before I show you the porch. We just had it freshly mulched and I just think it looks so nice and clean, so I wanted to share that. And I'm also curious, are you excited about summer? Do you have plans? What are you doing? We're about to leave for vacation, and if you want to follow me over on Instagram at Mrs. Caitlin Hunter, I will be posting to my stories while we're on vacation so you can see what we're up to. So here is what I did on the front porch. I've had this up since Memorial Day. I just haven't gotten around to filming it. This wreath, you saw it in my video last year. I made it a couple years ago. It's supposed to mimic the American flag with the hydrangeas and the stars. And then there's our dog. He's always there with his patriotic flair. And then I have these flowers, a mixture of daisies and wildflowers and roses, and they're all in this urn, and it's a nice pop of patriotic colors. And then over here I just have these flags in the planters on the side of this bench, and that is the front porch. Here in the entryway niche I have this bust of David, and I added these ribbons onto him to make him look more patriotic. And then I have these two candy dishes that are propped up, and I did spray paint these with the mercury glass spray paint, or mirror glass spray paint, and it looks like mercury glass. And then down here I just have these white cherry blossoms that are on my entryway table too, coming out of this jar here. So that's the moment here.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts.
So here our entryway, I actually ended up painting this wall black off camera, and I changed up the wall art, and I actually have something bigger coming in that I want to hang here, and I'll share that with you when it comes in. But for now I just have these two framed pieces of art and then these three mirrors lined up. They're from Hobby Lobby. I got them like 2 years ago. I wish I would have gotten more of them because I think like 9 of them on this wall would be really impactful, but I love that antique look. And then I placed this lamp here for now that was in my office before, and some red candles that are patriotic for the 4th of July, prop on top of this book box, and some matches. And I got that on Amazon. I can link that if you're interested. And then here, this Statue of Liberty I got from Michael's, and I think she's so cool. And I have her sitting inside of these two stacked dough bowls that I actually painted black. They were a wooden dark brown color, but for the vibe of my home, this is what works for me. And I like them as the wood tone too, but just doesn't fit the vibe of my home. So I also have these berries and some blue flowers and these white flowers. They're kind of like cherry blossoms, and I also stuck some little stars in there. That's this little moment in the middle, and I'm excited to style this for the fall, these dough bowls. And then here I just have my crystals and geodes all just together hanging out, and another red candle. And then I have my pampas grass in this vase with a flag.
We're all in vain.
So if you saw my last video, I did some tips on how to style your countertops, and I'll link it below if you're interested. I did change some things up a little bit in here. I have this on the island. It's just on a cake stand, and the America the Beautiful sign that I got from Hobby Lobby 2 years ago. This Beanie Baby is from my husband's late mom, and it's just a reminder of her, and she collected Beanie Babies, so it's fun to have it out, and the kids love it. And so then I just have these patriotic flowers in this ginger jar. And then, oh, I also want to point out we got a new sink faucet. We got this black one. Before it was a stainless one, and the sprayer wasn't working. This one's cool because you touch it and it comes on, so that's nice. And then here, this is pretty much the same from my last video, except I added in these patriotic flowers into my bust face here. And then over in the corner, I just have, I need to throw these bananas out. I have these strawberries and blueberries, and these are faux. And I just have them here with the ginger jar that was here before. And then I have this blue and white rose plate on this book stand. And then again, that board's propped up back there too. So over here in the dining room, this is a big change too, kind of, I guess. I have this big pot with these green dried eucalyptus in it. And I have some blueberries cascading out. I love the effect for 4th of July and summertime, fresh fruit. And then I have some red roses in there and the flag, of course. So I'm loving this. And then I ended up doing something different back here. I got this statue of the goddess Nike, and I placed her over here, and I ended up putting this sash with the stars on it, and I think it looks really pretty. It's a pretty moment here. And then I just have these wrought iron candlesticks here with red, white, and blue candles in it. So that's nice. And this used to be outside of our primary bedroom, but I moved it over here because I needed a bigger table back here to hold this statue. So that's in here. And I'll take you over to the living room, which is not that impressive. My daughter plays in here a lot now, so I have to keep it pretty simple. Like, there's nothing on the coffee table. So really it's just the fireplace mantle. I've got this eagle here that I got on Amazon. I sprayed it silver. It was this gold color, but it was kind of a weird gold. And then I just have these two little, they're like mini wreaths from Hobby Lobby styled here. And then some more flags and this little gnome. And see if I can get them a little closer. And then these little stars that I showed you on my entryway niche. I have 3 of these, and I just spray painted them with the antique glass, and they look cool. They're just candy dishes that I propped up. And then I just have this red, white, and blue flower moment right here on the side of the fireplace, and it's just pretty simple. That's all I have going on in here for 4th of July. It's been hard getting used to, you know, my daughter has all of her toys out here, and when she's out, these are all over the place. And so it's been kind of interesting figuring out how to decorate with the toddler.
Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
That is all. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this inspired you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. We have so much fun stuff coming up in the second half of the year with fall and Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. Thank you.